Hello everyone, I'm Sam Reichert. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your weather almanac, brought to you today by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road and Suite A8, right across from the water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. Today's high 40. With partly cloudy skies early, mostly sunny later in the day. Overnight low tonight, a cold 18 degrees. Average high this time of year is 51. The average low is 33. The record set in 2012 was a very nice 72 degrees, and the record in 1982, the low was 0. Yeah, that was cold. Sunrise today at 7:07. It sets at 5:13. That means you have 1 minute, 17 seconds more daylight today compared to yesterday. Winds will be from the northwest, 5 to 15 miles per hour today, so it's going to feel like in the 30s all day long. I'm Sam Reichert. I hope you have a great day today.